Today we'll talk about how can you enable phone contacts on your trial app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. So then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on this sign here, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on contact syncing here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You come here to phone contacts, so you just click in this sign here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on allow your contacts here. So I have no contacts here, but if you just click on it, then it's going to enable with you like you see here. Then you click on down, then it's going to enable with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.